today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful bugle beaded bracelet. So, let's start. So, our materials are 11/0 gold seed beads. This is a Miyuki. 3mm of bugle beads. Jump ring, C type of jump ring, and set of toggle clasp. Beading needle and sono beading thread. So I will pick 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, and 1 bugle bead. So we have 4 sets of this combination. Like this. And then pull it down, hold it like this, like this, and I will pass the needle here. So it will be like this. And I will pass the needle. So it will be like this. And the next step is I will pick 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, and 1/11/0. So we have 3 combination of this color of these seed beads and plus 1/11/0 seed beads. So we are exiting from this bugle beads, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our exiting thread, like this. Now I'll pull the thread like this, and I will pass the needle until we reach here. So I pass the needle here, bugle 11/0, and bugle beads. So I'll pick 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, 1 bugle beads, 1/11/0, and 1 bugle beads plus 1/11/0. So we have 3 combination of this seed beads and bugle beads plus 1 seed beads. Okay, so we are exiting from here. Now we'll pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this. So I will pass the needle until we reach here to these bugle beads. Okay, so I will pass the needle to this 11/0, bugle 11/0, bugle 11/0, and bugle beads. So in this time, we will make the next row of our bracelet. So the next is I will pick 1/11/0, 1 bugle 1/11/0, 1 bugle 1/11/0, 1 bugle, and 1/11/0. So we have 3 combination and plus 1/11/0. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle to these bugle beads from the opposite side of our working thread, and then I will pass the needle to this 11/0 like this. So I will pick, and the next is I will pick 111. We are exiting here from this 11, and I will pass the needle to this bugle beads. So this is our 11, and I will pass the needle to these bugle beads. So it will be like this. This is the seed beads that we attach, we add lately. So at this time, it should be like this. And the next is I will pick 111, 1 bugle, 111, 1 bugle, and 111. So I will pick, so we have two combination of these bugle beads and seed beads plus 111. Pull it down. Now we'll pass the needle from this bugle beads and this 11, and to these bugle beads. So we will pass the needle to these 3 seed beads like this. So pull the thread, and it should be like this. And the next is I will pass the needle to this 11. It should be like this. And the next is I will pass the I will pick 111, and I will pass the needle here to these bugle beads like this. One 11, and I will pick 111, 1 bugle beads, 111, 1 bugle beads, and 111 like this. So we're exiting from here. Now I'll pass the needle from this bugle beads and to this 11 and bugle beads like this. So I will pass the needle until here. So pass the needle here, bugle 11, and bugle, oh, I'm sorry, like this. Isn't it cute? So I will make the next unit from this way, so from the top until to the bottom. So the next is I will pick 111, 1 bugle beads, 111, 1 bugle beads, 111, 1 bugle beads, and 111. So we have 3 combination of this 3 set and plus 1 plus 111. Sorry. So we're exiting from here to these bugle beads, and I will pass the needle here. So we're exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this 11. Now I'll pass and I will pick 111, pass the needle to these bugle beads like this. And the next is I will pick 111, 1 bugle beads, 111, 1 bugle beads, and 111. So we are exiting from here. Now pass the needle to these bugle beads, 11 and bugle beads like this. Now pass the needle here, this 11, pick 111, and pass the needle, to these bugle beads like this. And I will pick 111.0, 1 bugle beads, 111.0, 1 bugle beads, and 111.0, like this. So we're exiting here to these bugle beads, and I will pass the needle to this bugle, 11.0, and bugle. Not this one, just these three beads. Okay, and pass the needle like, and pull a thread like this. So I will make the other, just wait a minute, I will pass the needle here, and then I will make 3 rows until we reach 16 centimeter, about 16 centimeter of our bracelet. So I'll be back. Then we made 3 rows, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 unit of our bracelet. So I will measure it. Let me see, this is about 16 centimeters. So it's up to you, it's up to your wrist size. For me, it's okay to be like this, you know. And I will attach our clasp and chain, jump ring, I mean. So you will attach this heart one, and just like this. And then the other side. I think it will be okay. So like this. Done. So our bracelet for today is here. I hope you like my tutorial for today, and see you on my next video. I hope you like it, and bye. Thank you for watching.